Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten and I'm a writer and content strategist. One of the ways in which we get creative with our writing is by using synonyms, or words that have almost identical meanings, and antonyms, or words that have opposite meanings. A common misconception about synonyms is that they are pairs of words with identical meanings, and in some cases that is true. For example, when used as adjectives, the words neat and tidy can be used interchangeably. They have exactly the same meaning. But sometimes synonymous pairs of words can differ not in meaning, but in degree, and that distinction can be used to add color to any kind of writing. For example, important and critical mean essentially the same thing, but critical has more weight behind it. Someone who is ecstatic is happier than someone who is merely happy. Someone who is crying is probably shedding fewer tears than someone who is sobbing. Then we have the antonyms, which are the words that have opposite meanings. Fast and slow, summer and winter, large and small. We use these words when we want to emphasize a point. And sometimes antonyms are used to reflect the universal nature of something or to represent the combining of ideas. There is a third category of comparisons that is largely overlooked: contronyms. A contronym is a word that has two meanings that are opposite to each other. For example, we dust furniture to remove dust from furniture, but we dust pastry to add a dusting of sugar or cinnamon or whatever. We bolt something to a table to keep it there, but we bolt from a room if we want to get away. If you are bound up, you are not going anywhere. If you are bound for a destination, you are going somewhere. If you wind up a toy, it starts. If you wind up a project, it ends. There is a lot of fun that you can have with these words. Next Wednesday, we'll look at some more creative speech patterns. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.